Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Dee.
I'm Kelly.
And we are Sisters of Stitchcraft. Ta-ching! And today it's unboxing time. Forgot to take my dress off.
Full disclosure, I've already unboxed mine. I left it at home because I didn't see the point in bringing it.
Oh yeah, it's the same anyway. It's not like
it was
different.
exactly, it was exactly the same. I thought, and I wanted to use the box to send something to somebody. So I took it all out and left it at home.
Even I didn't know that.
Sorry. But it's exactly the same content, so I assume.
Hopefully. So here's my ripping it off. I love it. I love that.
Dee is gonna love it.
Am I?
Yes, she is. I'm so excited to see her face.
It's here.
It sure is.
So, right. So we've got my little leaflet.
Yeah.
So I won't have a look at yet.
No. I was going to say, don't look at it.
Kelly's anticipation is like beyond. So what's going on here?
Oh.
So first of all, we've got rhubarb and custard tea.
It is really nice.
Is it?
Yeah, I drank mine probably the same day I got the box. But it smells just like rhubarb and custard sweets.
Oh really?
Yes, and it tastes not quite as strong as that, but it does taste like
tangy
rhubarb
and creamy custard.
It's lovely.
Give that one a go. Rhubarb and custard, I used to love the TV programme.
Yeah, me too.
So anything I need to open before anything else?
No, I would go with the little
bag
first.
So in the little bag we have so we've got, oh that's nice, so sticker.
There's another sticker in there as well, there should be.
Awesome maker.
Awesome maker. Glittery, rainbow leopard print. Look at that one! That's so wild!
So wild, it's like a little cutter.
How cute is it?
That's so gorgeous. Oh, I'm loving that,
I
yeah.
know you would.
Definitely. And then these are zip pulls. What do they say on them? Can't read it.
It says,
the
thanks,
light is
I
on it.
made it.
Oh,
Don't
they're
know if you can
cute.
see that.
Yeah, I think I couldn't see it because the light was on it.
Yeah, and they're rainbow.
Oh, they're really cute.
Yes, they're very cute.
Yeah, there's no stickers in there, so I don't use them. I love that rotary cut one.
I know.
So cool.
Everybody is loving that one. I've watched unboxings.
So, zip.
Continuous zipper tape.
Nice.
Rainbow.
Always come in handy. I really like that. That's really
Beautiful,
nice.
isn't it?
It is very. But
And there's
although it's
about 2
rainbow, I
metres
like
of it, I
the
think.
fact that it's like almost
Pastel rainbow.
yeah,
It's
but
like-
it's also like ombre'd into each
almost,
other,
yeah.
isn't it? It's not different lines. It's
Yes.
really nice, really
The
unusual.
de resistance.
Oh no, I've got something else here. Oh
Yes, you. Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
wow, that's
What was that?
amazing.
1,800 is it meters?
Yeah, wow.
Not sure how I'm going to get.
Wow, I feel like we've got loads in this box.
Yes, but wait.
Well spoiled.
Wait for it. Oh, you're going to love this.
I can't get it out. So it's wrapped up.
It is wrapped.
Oh, how am I going to get that off?
Struggle.
Oh,
Dear,
is that
come
a
on.
sign of what's in there?
Yes, it is a sign.
I think I know where we're going, and I think I know why you said I'm going to like it. And I'm going to have to change another plan. I can't get it open. I'm so sorry. Just talk amongst yourselves.
Come on.
Oh, I think I know what's in here now, just from that. There's still some on there.
Oh my goodness.
It's all right. I can get it out this way.
Can you?
I think. Can I? I'm just going to rip it off.
Oh. How cool is
It's
that?
a clear vinyl. And I said to you, I want some patterned vinyl.
She did.
And I've got
Only
some.
sort of a week before the boxes arrived. I was like,
Literally.
oh my god! It was like she read our minds.
Wow, and it's leopard printing.
It's
I love
leopard print
printing.
rainbow, clear.
Oh,
How amazing.
This is perfect
How
for what I
amazing.
want to do. You
Right.
know what I want to do, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
I know.
That's just
I know.
Thanks, Emma! You read my mind.
And I'm even thinking about buying her pattern.
Oh, what's that one?
It's the tote bag. You know the one where she did it clear plastic at the top and then like a vinyl fake
right,
at the bottom.
Well, I want to do, those of you that don't know, I want to do Sam's bag, the So Much Space tote. That's what I wanted to do in a vinyl with a, well, I wanted to do pink, but I think I might do black because I've got black vinyl. I haven't got any pink vinyl, and that would work. So just plain black on the bottom, plain black for the pocket, and then I wanted a patterned vinyl for the rest of it.
So it would be similar to that.
So that would be really good for that because it's going to be like beachy.
Maybe I'll do that as well.
So Skin Summer has been having a beach bag. So, and again, it's got the pink in it, so it'll go with my hat and my
Amazing. I knew you'd be really happy with that.
I am so happy with that. I think this is like my favourite box ever. That's perfect.
And I've never used this stuff. I don't know how to sew with it or what to do with it. I've got no idea.
I haven't used the clear one.
TPU or something.
Don't know. So I did actually buy one. I tried to source one and I couldn't find anything that was in this country really. It's really hard to find this sort of pattern stuff in this country. So I ended up getting something from Amazon, which is nice, but it's not as nice as that.
No.
And I was actually going to talk to you about it after we'd finished recording today and say, these are my options to go with the pattern that I've got. And I don't know what to use. Now I know exactly what I'm doing.
I might copy you and make the same thing.
Yeah, because I thought for a beach bag, it's a really nice size, isn't it? You can put your towel in there and everything. Yeah. So I thought, if I make that, and then this has got all the colours in it I want. So black straps, black underneath, black pocket, and then the little bits of colour, pops of colour in there.
Really cute.
Love it. Thank you. That's just brilliant.
Thanks, Emma. We love it.
I think I've got my photo back.
We have a discount code.
We do.
Sistas, capital.
Can't remember.
An exclamation mark, maybe. And that's for £5. We'll put it in the blurb.
We will.
Or across the
I'll put it on the
screen,
screen.
or both, probably. And that gets you £5 off your first box if you want to.
If you want such a good box of
things like this to make fabulous bags.
Absolutely. Oh, I'm ultra happy with that.
Oh, amazing. What's the box?
I mean, I always love them. But
yeah, me too. But I opened it and I was just like, no way!
When you said to me
saying about this, I was like, Dee's going to love
you're going to love it. I was thinking, is it pink? Well, we've had a lot of pink boxes lately, so I didn't think it could be pink. So but
animal print, pink, and clear vinyl as well.
Perfect. It's what my heart's been wishing for. So yeah, definitely brilliant.
It says 3 patterns.
Excellent. So three patterns in there. Choose one. And sorry, Emma, I just talked Kelly out of that one.
Yes, quite possibly. Although I do really like it. So
yeah, I was going to alter Sam's to have half and half,
yeah.
but that doesn't really work with the pocket. So then I thought I'd do the pocket in just the one colour, and actually that would be quite a nice contrast with the coloured, the clear vinyl.
Yeah.
So anyway, yeah.
So that's that.
Right, let's head off to my sewing machine. Hope you enjoyed that as much as I did.
I loved it. I was just like, I've been waiting all week.
Now I can see why you were so excited. And we will see you soon. So happy bag making.
Bye.
Bye.